Look at how I've got these buttons to light up on this ES6 NSM Heritage 100 CD Jukebox. Look at the keypad here. So this is with my room light on, and they're lit up nicely. Look how even the light is on each key. I've got the light reflecting. Nice and even light. Let me just turn the light off. That's my Christmas lights. With the Alibaba LED controller and some random LED strips that I had lying about, so I just sort of taped them to the back of it. Just turned on the red and green, so it just looks green coming through there, but it just really makes them pop. If I turn red off, look at the difference it makes to the keys. Just turn red off. Oh, that's up. So yeah, with red off, they just disappear. Just turn them back on a bit. And then green, if I turn green off, they all just go red. Green back on. And those ones pop again. And then it'll obviously go a lot brighter as well. But yeah, it looks awesome, that, doesn't it? Really makes them look nice on the NSM ES6 CD Jukebox, without its door on at the moment.